Hi, my name is Elise. I just woke up. It is Sunday and that is the day that I take off. So I wanted to film a day of self-care, and Sunday is usually the day that I really go in on the self-care because it's my day off. So first things first, I like to turn on my meditation music and then I'll get into some yoga. And next up, I like to do a meditation. So I will just sit in front of my window and grab my crystals. We got rose quartz, clear quartz off my windowsill. And I'll look outside, observe any wildlife or any beautiful weather patterns. The clouds look really beautiful today. It's like a gray, cloudy sky. And then I'll get into my meditation. It got brighter since I started meditating. That's always really cool when the sun comes out. Also, if you are interested in a guided meditation from me, let me know, because that's something I do every Monday morning on Twitch, but I've never done it on YouTube. And I think it would be pretty cool for people to just be able to access a guided meditation from me whenever they want. So let me know if that's something you're interested in. Alright, next thing is I will get my journal out, and this is actually a new journal. I just finished my old one, so I'm on the 3rd page of my new journal. So I will just prop a little pillow and start writing. Alrighty, so I have finished my normal little self-care routine for the day. Oh, you can't see me. Hey! So now I am going to go make some breakfast. Alrighty, I got some vegan mac and cheese for breakfast, and now I'm going to do some Duolingo. I think I'm on day 216 is my best guess. Oh, I'm on day 221. So I'm gonna eat my mac and cheese and get my Duolingo on. So I finished breakfast, and I always like to do a workout afterwards and then hop in the shower, get those endorphins going. But since today is a rest day for me, I think I'm just gonna do some shuffling. I've been practicing shuffling since like the beginning of this year, pretty much. And I've been getting into jump roping too. And then on my way back inside from jump roping, I can look for 4-leaf clovers. Another act of self-care. So I have this body wash for eczema prone skin, and I also have these shower steamers that are just beautiful. This is not sponsored, I just got this from a friend, but it's by Cleverify and they smell so good, so I'm so excited to try them. And I have this nourishing deep conditioner that I'm going to use. If you want, you can also make a body scrub naturally made out of coffee grounds. Make sure they're finely ground, and coconut oil. And you can use that as a DIY body scrub. But now it's time for me to enjoy my shower self-care. I'm out of the shower now, and one of my favorite parts about getting out of the shower now is thanks to my friend Kay Money, because she got me this eczema cream that's made with colloidal oatmeal. I don't know how you say that first word, but it feels so good and it smells so good. Would highly recommend this. I'm not sponsored, but yo, if you can get me in contact for someone to sponsor me for this company, that would be great. And I know that a lot of people really like doing their skincare routine, so that can also be an option for you to get some self-care in. Ooh. I changed shirts because it's getting hot out today, but this is another form of self-care. This is a vegan pizza, and I could have it outside and do a little picnic. I've been wanting to do that since it's spring and the weather is getting nicer, but it's been raining, so everything's really wet and there's like leaves and rain dropping, so I figured I will just eat this inside and watch a little bit of YouTube, catch up on some of my favorite YouTubers. So I went on that walk with my dad and I was watching some YouTube and some Twitch streams as well. But now I am going to continue my day of self-care. Even though chilling and watching videos, I still count as self-care. I'm gonna take out my trash, do some laundry, vacuum my room, maybe even clean the kitchen. Let's go. I think that is definitely an amazing form of self-care and you feel so good afterwards. Just loaded everything into the wash, finished vacuuming, took out my trash, and now I am gonna brush my hair before I get ready to go get some more water. I refill 4 gallons of water bottles at Whole Foods because they have a machine that gives you reverse osmosis water, and I found out recently that the water quality in my area is not so good, so I just go there and fill up my gallons instead of buying single-use plastic. And I might record a guitar cover at a park on my way home. So that is my other portion of self-care. Brushing my hair and getting ready. And I think makeup and fashion definitely counts as self-care as well. Right there. why hello there. Playing music is another form of self-care, especially in nature. You can just listen to music too, but I am going to record a cover for my music channel. This song that I'm recording is Alaska by Maggie Rogers. Alright, hello. It is now almost 10 p.m. I just finished going on a moonwalk in town because my mom really wanted me to join. She's been wanting me to do it for a while. And it's basically where you walk around with a bunch of people that live locally as well and look at the moon, because there's a full moon tonight and it's actually a super moon. So I think that counts as self-care as well. Walking around, looking at the moon, sharing facts about space and science, and just getting to know people that are local to you. And it was outside, so everything felt pretty safe as well. But for my final acts of self-care for the night, I'm going to floss. It's super important. Brush my teeth, of course. I count that as self-care. And I think I'm gonna put on my humidifier with some of my favorite scents. I wanted to do some baking tonight, but I just didn't get around to it. So I think that pretty much wraps up my day of self-care. That was everything I got up to today. I'm sure there's tons more ideas for self-care, but that's just what I did today. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are inspired to get some self-care for yourself today, tomorrow, whenever you can. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace out. No. Any squirrels? La montaña. El violín. La oveja. Oh, sheep. Oh, sheep.